Welcome. If you want to turn on or turn off autocorrection in your Niteo Tools Titan, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down and enter for the language and input. Go for the Android keyboard. Enter right here for the text correction. And here we got the autocorrection, so if you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher. And if you want to activate, just tap it one more time. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.